Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to share Ramadan's special Russian kebab fingers recipe. It's so simple and easy recipe and healthy too. Try to make coming Ramadan, you will love it. Chicken boiling preparation. Chicken cubes 500 grams. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. Water 2 cups. Mix. Salt to taste. Cover and bring to boil 8 minutes. Drain the water out. Shredded chicken with hand. Done. Oil 2 to 3 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Green 1.5 tablespoon. Sauté 1 minute. Shredded carrots 1 cup. Chickpeas 1/2 cup. Cabbage 1 cup. Salt to taste. Stir and mix. All-purpose flour 1/4 cup. Fry 1 minute. Add reserved chicken stock. Cook 2 minutes. Flame off. Shredded chicken 2 cup. White pepper 1 teaspoon. Chicken powder 1 teaspoon, optional. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Tasting salt 1 teaspoon. Flame on. Mix. Cook 2 minutes. Flame off. Boiled potato 3 small. Coriander leaf 3 tablespoon. Flame on. Cook another 2 minutes. Almost done. Let it cool down. Egg wash. Vermicelli. Spread the oil over the hand. Make a kebab fingers. Done. Deep with egg wash. Coat with vermicelli. Done. Fry until light brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.